Hi everyone, today we have the software called Getcone.dev and this is the best proposal to payment software. Before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description using which you can easily get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping right into the dashboard and you will be able to see we have a couple of things in here, like for example, of course, a quick guide, a quick start guide basically, and then we have our funnel reports. We have deals lost by reason. So since this is a platform, we are going to be simply proposing different type of payments, then you are going to be needing this type of features. You also have your added clients and activity going on. For that, you have your conversion rate and cash deposit. Now talking about client section on the left side of your screen, here you can add your clients. Of course, you're going to be needing some clients to get your payments and invoices and all this stuff, so you can add your clients or you can create them easily using this feature. You have various other features as well, like for example, you have your contacts. You can add or create contacts in same manner. You have your deals that you can offer. If you want to create some deals, click on this create deal option, add deal name and all of the metadata. Once you do that, eventually it will be added. So quite simple and easy to use platform for software and proposal to payment. You can see we have proposals, of course, that we are going to be proposing. We have our billing and templates to get started with, so you can create and save your own templates in here as well. A really great platform. So yeah, the platform also have really nice reviews. You can give it a try using the link in the description below. That will be getting you extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.